Motion lighting using solar power. Motion lighting is very convenient security platform for homes. Solar motion lamps take the benefits to the next level with more efficiency and reduced utility bills. Motion lighting using solar power. Motion sensor lamps can be an excellent choice for your home. These lamps offer the security of having a bright light shine into the eyes of any would-be intruder, thus deterring them from staying on your property. There are several different types of motion lamps available for the protection of your family and home, but the best option by far is to use solar motion lamps. Solar power is a clean and ecologically sound alternative to electric, battery, and other sources of power. There is no pollution produced, no non-renewable resources used, and it costs far less than other power sources. Even if you don't choose to use solar power for all your household needs, you can still help the environment by choosing solar motion lamps. Every small bit of solar power used decreases the world's usage of less ecological methods. Solar motion lamps work by collecting solar power during the day through solar cells located on the light. This solar energy is used to recharge a battery, usually a NiCad rechargeable battery, which in turn powers the lamp at night. Some models of solar motion lamps include solar panels that are strong enough to collect energy even in overcast conditions, making the lamp even more useful. Motion lamps also have settings to customize. You can set the duration that the lamp shines when it detects motion, anywhere from 0.5 minute to 3 minutes, as well as being able to position it so that it can detect motion up to 90 feet away. The trigger for the motion lamp is a passive infrared motion detector that is safe for use around all people and animals, and does not require additional high-tech equipment. You also have the choice of mounting your solar motion lamps on a post, this will be provided, or on the side of your house or garage. Solar motion lamps usually use a strong LED lamp. LEDs are an excellent choice for solar lamps because they use far less power than traditional bulbs and halogen lamps. Motion lamps are built with weather-resistant materials so they can be left on your home's exterior in all types of conditions. Solar motion lamps are an excellent way to keep your home and property safe from intruders and other problems, all while being cheaper and more green than other choices. If you need just one or many, the solar-powered versions of motion lamps are the easiest choice for your lighting needs.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.